Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how you can watch live TV with YouTube TV. It's a convenient way to enjoy your favorite shows without the need for cable or satellite subscriptions. First things first, you'll need to sign up for a YouTube TV account. Simply go to the YouTube TV website and create an account using your Google credentials. Once you've set up your account, you can start browsing the available channels. YouTube TV offers a variety of channels including sports, news, entertainment, and more. You can also personalize your channel lineup to suit your preferences. Now, let's move on to watching live TV. To access live TV on YouTube TV, simply log into your account on your preferred device such as a smart TV, computer, smartphone, or tablet. Once you're logged in, you'll see a guide that displays all the channels available for live streaming. You can scroll through the guide to see what's currently airing and upcoming shows. When you find a show or channel you want to watch, simply click on it to start streaming live TV. You can also use features like DVR to record shows and watch them later. YouTube TV offers a seamless live TV experience with high-definition quality streaming and no long-term contracts. And there you have it. That's how you can easily watch live TV with YouTube TV. It's a great way to stay connected and catch up on your favorite programs wherever you are. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.